Hey guys, I have a fun plant hanger tutorial for you today. I'm calling this one Rustic Spice Plant Hanger. In total, you will need 90 feet of 5mm mustard string and 19 feet of 5mm rust string. Both of these colors are available in my Etsy shop if you are interested. There's a link in the description. Once finished, the plant hanger measures approximately 3.5 to 4 feet in length. Let's get started. This plant hanger was made on a 2.5-inch ring. If you do not want to use a ring, you can use additional string to create a loop to hang your plant hanger. Please see the description for a link to another one of my tutorials which will show you how to do this. Cut 9 10-foot pieces of mustard string. Cut 2 2-foot pieces and 18 10-foot pieces of rust string. Set the rust string aside for now. Fold all 9 pieces of the mustard string in half to find the center and attach them to your ring. Grab a 2-foot piece of rust string and tie a gathering knot just below the ring. Cut off the extra rust string above and below the gathering knot. Tuck in the ends with a tapestry needle. Split your string into 3 groups of 6. We are going to be making a diamond using double half hitch knots. Using one strand as your filler cord, tie 3 double half hitch knots working down and to the right. The first double half hitch knot should sit about 2 inches down from the gathering knot. Here's what it should look like. Using the inside left cord as your filler cord, tie 2 double half hitch knots working down and to the left. We have now made the top half of the diamond. Using the cord on the left as your filler cord, tie 2 double half hitch knots working down and to the right. Repeat on the right side of your work. We will now add our tassel. Grab 3 10-inch pieces of rust string. To add your tassel, slide your double half hitch knot down your filler cord to add the string. Repeat on the right side of your work. Pull the ends up and through the bottom of the diamond and then tie one more double half hitch knot with the 2 filler cords to connect the diamond at the bottom. Repeat that process with the other 2 sections to create 3 diamonds total. We will create another 3 diamonds using the exact same process, but we are going to change the cords in each of the groups. To create your new groups, take 3 cords from one of the previous groups and 3 cords from another. Working about 2 feet down from the diamonds at the top, create 3 more diamonds. Here's what it should look like once you have completed the 2 rounds of diamonds. We will tie one more round of square knots and a gathering knot at the bottom to finish it off. Working with your original 3 groups, tie 3 square knots. Your square knots should be tied around 4 filler cords. Tie your square knots about 4 inches down from the diamonds. This will fit a pot that is about 5.5 inches long and 6 inches in diameter. To fit a larger pot, leave more space before tying your square knots. To fit a smaller pot, leave less space. Working 4 inches down from your square knots, tie a gathering knot with your last piece of rust string. Cut off the ends and tuck in the excess with a tapestry needle. Cut the ends of the mustard string to your desired length. I cut mine about 1 foot below the gathering knot. Add your plant and you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial may be useful for others, please feel free to share it. I love to see your work, but sometimes I can miss it, so please tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials or if you're using some of my ropes so I can see your work. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials. Thank you.